Are you ready to embark on a photographic adventure that'll have your friends asking if you've hired a pro? Whether you're an aspiring Ansel Adams or just want to snap better selfies, finding the right camera can feel overwhelming. Fear not, fellow shutterbugs. In this video, we'll take a look at some of the best Nikon cameras that turn everyday moments into stunning visual stories. Get ready to elevate your photography game, impress your followers, and perhaps even catch a few compliments along the way. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. You can also find more detailed analysis and comparison tools on our website, consumerpicked.com. Like this video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the bell to stay updated. Ready for the listicle? Let's dive right in. Number 5. Nikon D7500, our pick for best Nikon camera for beginners. Are you ready to dive into the delightful world of photography? The Nikon D7500 is your trusty sidekick for this adventure. Designed with wannabe photographers like you in mind, this camera boasts simple controls and a user-friendly interface that make mastering the basics feel like a walk in the park or a stroll through a beautifully shot landscape. What's the icing on the cake? The guide, shooting mode. Think of it as your personal photography mentor, leading you step by step through essential concepts while you snap away. You'll be channeling your inner Ansel Adams in no time. Plus, with its stellar battery life, you can shoot to your heart's content without that pesky dance of plugging it in. The D7500 features an APS-C sensor that guarantees your photos won't just be average snapshots, they'll be art. And as your skills grow, you can mix and match with a variety of lenses to turn your kit into something truly spectacular. Now, just a heads up. While this gem doesn't do 4K video or sprint in rapid bursts, it more than compensates with everything you need to kickstart your photography journey. It has been discontinued, so head to the secondhand market to snag your new best friend. Embrace your adventure with the Nikon D7500. It's ready to help you create images that'll make your friends go wow. Number 4. Nikon D7500, our pick for best Nikon camera for DSLR enthusiasts. Are you ready to take your sports and wildlife photography to the next level without emptying your wallet? Enter the Nikon D7500, a camera that balances high-end features and affordability like a pro juggler at a county fair. With its 20.9 megapixel DX format sensor, you'll be capturing sharp, vibrant images that do justice to the chaos and beauty of fast-moving subjects. That rapid 8 frames per second burst shooting capability? It's like having a personal assistant who anticipates every big moment, making sure you never miss the excitement. Feeling adventurous? The D7500 is built tough with a weather-sealed body, so it won't mind a little rain or dust while you're out stalking wildlife. Plus, that 3.2-inch tilting screen? It's practically begging you to experiment with unique angles for your shots. Think of it as your new best friend in creative exploration. Sure, the 51-point focusing system might not be the fanciest on the block, but it gets the job done with impressive quality, ensuring those breathtaking shots of darting deer or soccer stars in midair are in focus and fabulous. Now available at a captivating price, the D7500 is calling your name. Grab this gem and elevate your photography game. It's the boost you've been waiting for to embark on your most thrilling photographic journey. Get ready to roll. Still searching for the perfect Nikon camera? Well, don't throw in the towel just yet. We've got more coming your way. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe now and hit the bell icon to get notified when we drop new videos. You won't regret it. Number 3. Nikon Z50, our pick for best entry-level Nikon camera. Are you on the hunt for a camera that won't break the bank or your back? Meet your new best friend, the APS-C model. Sure, it might not be the tiniest camera on the block, but its killer handling and durable build will make you feel like a pro every time you click the shutter. Let's talk about weather sealing. You know that unpredictable drizzle that seems to appear every time you grab your camera? No worries, this beauty is built to handle the outdoor chaos, so you can capture epic shots when Mother Nature decides to throw a tantrum. Inside, the 20-megapixel APS-C sensor is like your old friend who's always there for you, especially in low light. Twilight or dimly lit cafes? No problem, you'll snag stunning images that make your friends wonder if you secretly trained with the photography gods. Got some action-packed moments? With a burst rate of 11 frames per second, you'll be the hero of fast-paced shots. The reliable autofocus system ensures your subjects stay sharp, while you keep your creative juices flowing. And if you feel like stepping into the world of video, good news! You can record in glorious 4K at up to 30 frames per second. Whether you're vlogging your latest adventures or capturing cinematic magic, this APS-C wonder is your ultimate sidekick. It's more than just a camera, it's your passport to explore the art of photography without the hefty weight of a full-frame model. Time to unleash your inner artist. Number 2. Nikon COOLPIX P950, our pick for best bridge Nikon camera. Are you on the hunt for a camera that's equal parts easygoing and extraordinary? Say hello to the Nikon COOLPIX P950. With a staggering 83x zoom range, that's like having the power of a magic wand that transforms your adventures into epic masterpieces. From sweeping landscapes to jaw-dropping wildlife portraits, all without the need to scale a mountain or wrestle with complicated lenses. Weighing in at a solid 2.2 pounds, this camera feels like a trusty sidekick in your hands, ready to tackle any shot that comes your way. Forget about the hassle of swapping out lenses. The P950's fixed SLR-size lens lets you channel your inner photographer with a focus on creativity instead of confusion. Whether you're a weekend warrior or an aspiring shutterbug, this bridge camera will make you feel like a pro without the daunting learning curve. With the P950, zooming in on those tiny details is as easy as pie, bringing far-off subjects into crystal clarity and making your artistic vision a reality. So, if you're ready to elevate your photography game and capture the beauty around you, let the Nikon COOLPIX P950 be your trusty companion. Embrace the thrill of snapping amazing shots and unleash your creative potential with this powerhouse in your hands. Adventure awaits. And with the P950, you're just one click away from capturing it all. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. Nikon Z6 II, our pick for best Nikon camera overall. Are you ready to elevate your photography game? The Nikon Z6 II is here to transform your creative outings into epic adventures. With a lightning-fast 14 frames per second burst rate, you'll effortlessly freeze those split-second moments. No more blurry backflips or that flying frisbee getting away from you. The autofocus system has your back, ensuring your subjects are sharper than your friend's cheeky remarks. When it comes to video, this beauty doesn't hold back. It offers 4K recording at up to 60 frames per second, letting you unleash your inner filmmaker. Just be prepared for a hefty crop. It's like a surprise diet for your footage. And those dual memory card slots? They're perfect for storing all your creative genius, especially with that CF Express slot for those high-speed storage needs. Say goodbye to camera shake with the in-body image stabilization, giving you steadiness that even yoga instructors would envy. Now, it's true the Z6 II might not flaunt all the most advanced video features like internal 10-bit or log recording, but it more than makes up for it with its user-friendly design. You'll feel right at home as you effortlessly adjust settings, leaving you free to focus on capturing the magic around you. Ultimate performance? Check. A delightful user experience? Double check. The Nikon Z6 II is your partner in crime for both stunning photos and captivating videos, empowering you to bring your artistic dreams to life. So grab yours and start creating. That's a wrap. We hope you had a blast going through our list of best Nikon cameras. If so, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also, let us know in the comments which Nikon camera you're planning to pick. Let's make it happen. Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.